Take a moment to check out the 2025 Genesis GV70. This luxurious GV70 offers powerful performance, a premium interior crafted of fine materials and loaded with desirable amenities, impressive safety tech, and stunningly elegant design, all at a highly competitive value. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: all-wheel drive, 4-cylinder engine, Bluetooth connection, electronic stability control, 8-speed AT, traction control, daytime running lights, side airbag, power windows, AM/FM stereo. Exquisite design meets gutsy performance in this striking GV70. See for yourself when you take it out for a test drive. Our professional staff looks forward to giving you excellent service.